Hello guys, I welcome you all to Crisis Management. This is an online portal where you can manage your crisis and stress at the same place because it offers a multitude of other modules to choose from in order to relieve yourself from your everyday mental, physical and emotional stress. So let us now begin. As a new user, you should first of all sign up. Enter the relevant credentials such as your name, gender, email, username and password. Click on submit. As you can see, we are successfully signed up. Now let us go back and click on login. Enter your username and password. And click on submit. We are successfully logged in and we should click on yes to continue. So these are some of the modules which we are included in our online portal for crisis management. So let us go through each of the modules one by one. So the first one in our list is chat counseling. Click on this and we have entered into our personalized chat counseling page. To start a conversation, type a message and click send in the chat box. So this was our chat box module. This is basically chat counseling. And now let us go on to the next one, which is video conference counseling. This module is under construction, so I cannot tell you what is basically the main functionality of this. So for the time being, let me skip this one. And let us go on to the next one. So the next one in our list is Route Tracker Informer. This is a kind of tracking system which tracks your present location by your IP address of the machine which you are using. So as you can see, you can zoom in and zoom out also. You can also drag and drop to view the nearby locations around you. And it also shows you the country, the city, as well as the latitude and longitude of your present location. And now let's move on to the next one, which is fitness and well-being tracker. It has a multitude of options to choose from. For instance, you can calculate your BMI, enter your weight in pounds, and click on calculate. As you can see, the result has appeared here and your BMI is also calculated. Now let's see some of the other things. You can see your diet information here. You can see different allergy details. You can also see the details of contagious diseases. You can also see details of non-contagious diseases. Now, digital well-being is very important because it is what keeps us going in this technologically advanced age. Hydration requirements are also necessary. You can also check out here. And SPM harmful concentration information are also listed here. And some of the other things are, you can see some of the popular videos related to yoga healthy diet recipe videos, academic success videos, spiritual well-being videos, as well as intellectual boost videos. You can also use the Google Fit app, although it is a predominantly Android app, and you can also download it from the Play Store and use it in your Android phone. So now let us move on to the next module, which is the COVID-19 status checker. So it is a very recent phenomenon that COVID-19 is taking on all over the world, and in order to fight it, you should be both mentally as well as physically aware of its presence around you. So for that, we had listed some of the country-specific info sheet as well as India-specific state-wise info sheet for COVID-19. So you can have all the important details about the number of confirmed cases, dead, as well as the recovered people, and also the active cases prevailing in COVID-19 in any country or the countries having the top COVID cases in the world. So these are some of the countries, and now let's move on to the states of India. And the next one in our list is donation drive. Here you can donate any amount you want. So you have been added to the official donators list. So this was some of the applications which we used. Now let's explore the front end details. You can explore the about page. You can also send your valuable feedback. For example, let me show you. So thank you for your valuable feedback. Hope you loved our website. Visit again. So this was all about the crisis management website. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.